Hi again everyone, Mahmoud here from the Greenhouse Gas Reporting Program. In this video, I will be demonstrating how you can use the ECCC and Partners GHG reporting module in SWIM to report your ammonia expanded emissions data to Environment and Climate Change Canada. Please make sure that you watch my previous general expanded video as it touches upon the fuel combustion and on-site transportation screens, which are both required to complete your expanded reporting requirements for the ammonia production sector. So let's get started. The ammonia production screen will be available if you have selected the ammonia production activity from the facility activities screen. In addition to providing fuel combustion and on-site transportation information, you also need to provide specific information relating to ammonia production. So from this screen, you can fulfill reporting requirements in Schedule 13 of the notice. Please keep in mind that the system will log you out after 20 minutes of inactivity. Please make sure that you constantly save your data so that no data entered is lost. You can do this by clicking on the Save Continue button at the bottom of the screen. It is best to have all your information on hand while filling in your reports. In order to report the feedstock details for ammonia production, simply click on the Add icon in the Feedstock Details section. This will open the following screen, where all fields are mandatory. Once all information has been completed on this screen, click on Save, and then you will return to the ammonia production screen. Also available in the ammonia production screen is an optional section titled Additional Information, where you can click on the Add icon in order to upload an attachment containing additional information related to the ammonia production activity. So now, please fill in the ammonia production screen. Also, one thing to keep in mind, please continue to add and save all feedstock details as necessary. So this can be done by clicking on the Add icon and just filling in your information. So once all relevant data is entered, click on Validate. This will check to see if there are any errors. If there are no issues, a green check mark will appear right beside the ammonia production activity on the left-hand menu. And then you can click on Save Continue. Next are the General Reporting Requirements screen, sections A, B, and C. Once you have completed your expanded screens for ammonia production, the Load Activity Emissions into sections A, B, and C button will appear at the top of section A as shown now. So you can select Load Activity Emissions into section A, B, and C to load information entered from the expanded screens into sections A, B, and C of the report. This will ensure that the emission totals in section A, B, and C correspond to the information entered for the activities selected. This is an expected outcome. If for a particular reason a change in the total is required, it is highly recommended that the Load Activity Emissions into section A, B, and C option is still used, and then the specific emissions totals are adjusted as necessary. So let's go ahead and use this option. Now click on Yes. And my information from my expanded screens are now loaded into sections A, B, and C of the reports. So from here, please complete the remaining screens. So the remaining screens are going to be the comments and confidentiality requests. One thing to note is where emission totals have been adjusted from what was initially loaded from the activity screens, please include comments in your report to explain why this is the case. After that is complete, you will be able to submit your report. If you require guidance on how to complete the remaining screens, please follow the guidance given in the General Reporting Requirements video, as you will be required to follow the exact same steps in order to submit your report. So this concludes the demonstration video for the Ammonia Production expanded screen. Thank you all for watching.